Good morning, everybody. I am Dominic with Rewired Iowa, and this is my co-worker Logan. We are super excited today. We are going to be installing a new Generac Generator 2025. It is a newer model, has a little bit of different functions, and it's a little bit different setup than what we're used to, but all in all, it's the same deal of hooking it up and making sure it works. So this is the beauty here. It's now got a front action lock, got a whole design for a battery. We have new hookups here and here that we have to go and completely remove from the frame. As you see, it's bolted down in the corners instead of back in the middle now. So yeah, stay with us and we're going to get to work. So another important part to know is since we're going from the meter to here, we need to have our grounding bush in. And what we'll do is we'll ground it from here on up to here. And of course this needs to be bonded to your neutral because this is our first point of disconnect now. Was inside, it isn't anymore. And we also have some duct seal because after we're done running the wires, we're going to be sealing it up. And then we're going to torque them. See, number 4 right here looks like 45 torque inch per pound. So we'll be doing that just in a moment. Get you just nice and soft for a moment. And we'll go ahead before we get this tube locked. So then afterwards, when we're done with everything, while this gets closed up, this will be our main point of entry now. Oh yeah, so another thing that's cool, they're coming out with their own surge protectors now. So, it is done here. We'll get that torqued in a bit. So now, if you can see, upper right here is going to be your generator, lower for customer. So technically, almost the main service could be turned back on. But we'll go inside and we'll take care of the rest. All right, guys, we are all finished up. As you can see, we have a newly installed generator, nice and pretty. And again, this is the new Generac model that came out. Has a little indicator right here. And of course, it is off right now because we are waiting on the gas to be hooked up. And this is our emergency shutdown. So you're going to press that just in case you need to shut it down for any reason. A little bit different than setup than before, but as you can see, they're all hooked up. They have power back on, and they are happy as could be. So with that, everybody, we are signing out of Boone. We will see you guys on the next run. Have a good one.